Welcome to this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse with a front garden, roof terrace and community pool in San Pedro del Pinatar. At the entrance of the property, you have parking in the front street with direct access to the garden. Here, you will get sunlight all day long with a covered balcony area. Entering the property, you have a large living room with a dining area, with a hallway at the rear that leads to the toilet, fully equipped kitchen with a skylight, and downstairs bedroom with views of the pool. Upstairs, you will find the master bedroom with fitted wardrobes and a large front balcony. Across you will find the master bathroom with a walk-in shower and third bedroom also with fitted wardrobes and views of the pool. On the third level, you will find a large roof terrace area with an outdoor kitchen. This area is perfect for enjoying the sun or outdoor dining, with views of the pool area below. Located within walking distance to all your amenities, it is situated in a convenient and well-connected location, within easy reach of supermarkets, shops, cafes and restaurants, with schools, healthcare facilities, and transport links nearby. Beautiful beaches, leisure amenities, and golf courses are all just a short drive away, making it an ideal choice for both permanent living and holiday enjoyment. For more information, please contact Villas for Spain today.